Hello.
Yeah,
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
yeah, correct. You wanted it to be not recorded, correct?
No, sir. It's okay if it is recorded. No problem.
Yeah, good. Very good. Now, which date is your interview?
Sir, my interview is on 3rd of March.
Acha. You are appearing for clerical or officers?
Sir, I am appearing for both.
Both. Acha. Good. What is your basic degree?
Sir, okay, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir,
No.
I have completed my B.Tech in electrical engineering from Jamia Millia Islamia in 2018.
Acha. Jamia Millia Islamia. Which state?
Sir, I am from Delhi.
Delhi. Acha.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. But this name Raghav looked like as if you are a South Indian.
Yes, sir. Sir, Raghav is synonymous with Lord Ram.
I know. So
Thank you,
it's there.
sir, for that.
It's there throughout the country. Yeah, good, excellent.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So you passed out in 2018. After that, what were you doing?
Sir, I was preparing for government exams. I was preparing for UPSC, but seeing the level of competition, I was not able to clear. And seeing that competition, I decided to switch. And then then when I went on to see the profile of South Indian Bank, and I was quite impressed with it. So I decided to make my career in banking.
Good. That means you have not been applying for other IBPS exams and all. Have you been applying? Yes or no?
No, sir, IBPS I have not applied yet.
Okay. Good. Excellent. Tell about your family background.
Sir, I have my father is in Airport Authority of India. He's a general manager. My mother works in IFCO. It is a cooperative Indian Pharma Fertilizers company, and I have two sisters. Both of them are working.
I think we talked once earlier because you made a mention about your father being general manager and all, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, it's my second interview.
Oh, अच्छा. ठीक है. Then what is our area of interest?
My area of interest, sir. I like to play football. I am very physically active in sports. I have a blue plus belt in taekwondo, and also I like to, in my leisure time, I do yogic practices and play badminton and football.
Good. Now, define banking.
So in banking, banking is a term where people can exchange. People come to deposit their money and get some interest. It's basically exchange. It's a medium of exchange. It's basically medium of exchange. Yes, sir.
No, but why are you not mentioning? Banking means it includes advances also. You should have mentioned about that. And I think I gave you the definition that day. Banking means accepting deposits and making advances to the public.
Yes, sir. Accepting deposits and giving loans to the businessmen, entrepreneurs. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Then what is repo rate?
So the repo rate is if a bank does not have enough deposits and it wants to borrow some money from RBI at an emergency basis, and so that it can pay it can pay that money from 2 days to 89 days. Then a bank borrows money from RBI at repo rate. Currently, the repo rate is 4%.
That is right. But why did you mention about when the bank is not having deposit? All those sentences are not required. Actually, the reason is funds are not there.
Yes, sir.
Readily payable funds are not there. So those points are not needed.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Then what is the present repo rate?
Sir, present repo rate is 4%.
Good. What is meant by CRR?
Sir, CRR stands for cash reserve ratio. It is the percentage of cash that is required to be kept with banks banks as a percentage of your total deposits with the bank, which includes cash, gold securities. Current cash reserve ratio is 4%.
Please repeat. I think there is some mistake. Please tell.
The cash reserve ratio is the amount of cash that is required to be kept by bank aside of the total deposits that it has.
Wrong. Cash reserve ratio is the percentage of total net demand and time liabilities that the bank has to keep in its current account with Reserve Bank of India. Can you repeat?
Yes, sir. Sir, cash reserve ratio is the amount of time.
Percentage of.
Sir, yeah, it is the percentage of
net demand and time liabilities.
Net demand liability, the time liabilities that it is required to keep with the RBI.
It is required to keep in its account with RBI.
In its account with the RBI.
And the present rate is 4%.
And the current is 4%. Yes.
What is ATM?
So ATM stands for automatic teller machine. Sir, it is a yes, sir. Automated teller machine.
Correct. Good. What is a check?
Sir, check. Sir, using the check, we can transfer transfer amounts from one bank account to another using bank as a facility. So check is used for is it instrument for money transfer in offline mode?
No. Check, normally you have to explain what it is. Check is a bill of exchange drawn on a specified banker. But if you don't want to go theoretically, you say like this: check is an instrument drawn on our bank account.
Yes, sir.
By the account holder. This is used to make payment to third parties and also to receive cash.
Okay, sir.
That's all. Yeah. Now, what are the different types of checks are there?
So I don't have any idea.
Like,
sorry, sir.
There are checks, there's a blank check, a check which is not filled in but duly signed in, which is fully blank. It can be filled in with whatever you want.
Yes, sir. Blank check, cancelled check. I don't know.
Blank check, cancelled check, then crossed check, uncrossed check, bearer check, order check, stale check, antedated check, post-dated check.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now, under what circumstances a bank can return a check though there are funds in the account?
Sir, if there is a mistake on check, like there is some overwriting or so, it can be bank can assume that the check is not written by the original person, but it is like
No. These
it is
things.
framed.
No. This extra words are not required. Who wanted you to tell about not written by the original person? It's not required. When it is having alteration, it is to be returned because it is not having signature of my account holder.
Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So don't add extra points to this. Be aware about that. Only thing is,
okay,
to this point you have to say. Then what are the other circumstances when it can be returned? One, where there is alteration without signature. Number two.
Sir, I don't have an idea about that.
Number two, where it is a post-dated check, you can't make payment.
Okay, sir.
Number three, where the payment has been stopped by the drawer, you can't make payment.
Okay, sir.
Number four, where the borrower has died, you can't make payment.
Okay, sir.
Very good. How many branches are there in South Indian Bank?
Sir, there are 923 branches spread all over India.
How many branches are there in Delhi?
Sir, in Delhi, there are 25 branches.
Who is the CEO of SIB?
The CEO is Murli Ramakrishnan.
Who signs the currency notes?
Sir, currency notes are signed by the governor of RBI. Current governor is Shaktikanta Das.
Who controls all the banks?
Sir, RBI is the sole controller of all the banks in India.
How will you concentrate your bank job along with your area of interest? What is your area of interest? Yoga. What did he say?
Yes, sir, yoga and physical fitness. Sir, these are my hobbies.
Only this should not be a problem, because I think somebody has told about some other hobbies like photography or some such thing for which they have raised this question in South Indian Bank. Then
Oh, okay, sir.
why you have opted for bank job rather than continuing with post graduation?
So actually, I am not interested in post graduation, and it requires a lot of hard work and expertise. And I think, sir, banking provides me. So banking has a respect. Banker has respect in the society. She participates in various social sector schemes of the government, like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Mudra loans for and giving cash transfers to the population, serving the unbanked and underbanked population.
Mm.
Banks also participate in corporate social responsibility activities, and I think the banking job provides me the roles and responsibilities which that I'm ready to face, so that I can contribute to my bank as well as improve my knowledge and skill set.
How will you develop a nation's economy by working in a bank?
Sir, primary focus will be to cover more and more people. Sir, still 80% of India's population have bank accounts, but still there is a long way to go. So main focus will be to cover the unbanked and underbanked population of India, and as well as improve our service, improve our digital financial services, so as to give a personalized experience to a customer.
No, I think this question would have been put to this candidate, because when they asked banking sector, he would have told I'll be developing the nation's economy like this. But here the answer can be like this: by working in a bank, I can be part and parcel of the system by which we try to help people for saving money, for taking loans and starting business like that. You can add.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is white label ATM and brown label ATM?
So brown label ATM is a ATM which is set up by NBFC.
Mm. White label ATM?
Sir, I'm not sure about that white label ATM.
Mhm. White label automatic banking. White label ATMs that provide an alternative source of cash dispensing vis-a-vis traditional automatic banking machines from banks. It is the example of it. The Reserve Bank of India has permitted 4 non-bank entities to set up white label ATMs in India. RBI has issued certificate of authorization to Tata Communication, Prism Payment, Muthoot Finance, and Vakrangi Limited. So these are non-bank entities. Setting up ATMs is known as white label ATM. I'm giving the information in our website.
Oh, okay, sir.
You are a member of 2002 SBI IBPS PO interview.
Sir, I didn't. I was not in SBI, and I did not reach the interview stage of SBI PO.
No, I'm asking in which account are you, which telegram are you member?
Ocha, sir, I am. Sir, yes, sir, SIB. Sir, let me check 1 second. Sir, I am in 2022 SBI
हाँ
PO
डन
IBPS Center.
डन डन 2022 बोलने से समझाएंगे. गुड. और मास्टर कार्ड वीसा कार्ड का बारे में आपको क्या जानते हैं?
So Mastercards, these are foreign companies that are of they have credit, they offer credit card and debit card as a products, and through this we can pay online, and these are widely popular in India, widely hugely popular.
Mhm.
In fact, hugely popular in the world also.
Okay. What are priority sector advances? Please tell something about that.
So priority sector advances are the one which are focused at priority sector, which are small and marginal farmers and small and micro enterprises which are in need of loan, and which may not have much huge collateral to secure large loans. So bank is required some part to be advanced to these groups, so that they can take loan easily and at very easy terms.
Mm. Okay, 1 minute. Hold on. I'm deleting something which is extra. Yeah. What is RTGS?
Sir, RTGS stands for Real Time Gross Settlement. It is a nationwide payment platform where people can pay through banks from one bank account to another, both online and offline. It was started in it was started in 2004, and there is the minimum limit of transferring the money is rupee 1, and it can be done through both online and offline modes,
You know
and
what?
it's a real time payment system.
What is it I asked? I asked RTGS,
Yes, sir.
and minimum for RTGS is 2 lakhs.
Sir, neft.
But why did you talk about NEFT when I am asking RTGS?
No, sorry, sir, I think I did a mistake in the minimum amount
Yeah,
that is to be transferred.
yeah. 2 lakhs is the minimum amount. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Will you be accepting posting in rural area?
Yes, sir. I think they are in the most need, and as banks have to keep some deposits for to give loans to priority sector. So I think they are in need, and as a banker, it is my responsibility to help them.
See, look, this question also, there is no need for you to justify the answer. I only wanted you to say, yes, I am willing. Yes, that will do. Are you
Okay, sir.
willing to go? Yes, that's all.
Yes. Okay, sir.
And why do you have to say that bank needs it? Without me, nothing will happen? There is extra, na?
Yes, sir.
Could you understand?
Yes, sir.
What do your friends suggest you should improve?
Uh, I think currently, sir, I'm not able to meet with them, and they think I have become a little busy for many months because of the because of the preparation that is going on and exams that I have been giving. So I think they are asking me to be more physically active, to indulge in more sports, to be the one that I used to be previous, and also socialize more, because due to exam I have been focusing more on exams only.
Mhm. Do you have an interest in sports?
Yes, sir.
Which
Sir, I have a
sports?
blue. Yes, sir. I have a blue plus belt in taekwondo, and I regularly play either badminton or football.
Super. What was your dream during or when you joined engineering college?
Sir, my dream was to get a good job and make a career in electrical engineering.
Mhm.
So to join a good company like Huawei, like Huawei or Cummins. These are good reputed companies.
Mhm.
Siemens.
You are in Delhi.
Yes, sir.
What for Delhi is famous?
So Delhi is, sir, first and foremost, Delhi is famous for the Parliament of India.
Mm.
It is the political capital of India. The Parliament, the North Block, South Block, sir, where all the ministries are there. Also, Delhi is famous for many cultural sites like Qutub Minar and Teen Murti Bhavan and Rajghat, Shakti Sthal, Shanti Sthal. So Delhi is very famous for its monuments, and Delhi culinary is also very good. Sir, I live close to Ames. So Delhi is also famous for its very good hospitals. So I live very close to Ames and Safdarjung Hospital.
Mm. That means
Yes, sir.
near that house cast.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because I remember I used to cross that and then go further into house cast. Green Park,
Green Park.
then
Yes, sir.
Green Park, then house cast.
Yes, sir. So South Indian Bank, my nearest South Indian Bank branch is also located close to Hoskas.
Acha. So you
Yes, sir.
visit that branch if possible and try
Sir,
to.
unfortunate. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, what happened? Unfortunately,
Sir, I thought you were asking question because I was not able to visit that branch.
no. I said you have to visit now. Tomorrow you go.
Yes, sir.
No, don't worry. Nothing. Nobody will ask anything. You just go in, take about 500 rupees note with you, get for some exchange. You just walk through these is the South Indian Bank and try to find out whether they give. If they don't give, also fine. Just have a look out of what is the branch, how many people are sitting, how many counters are there, what are the banners they have put in. Try to see some good points from and out of that. And when you meet day after tomorrow, when they talk over the online, you can tell them that I visit. If they ask, you can tell I visited. Don't tell if they don't ask.
Okay, sir.
That's what it is. You prepare, you visit and get it known. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. What is the movie you saw last?
Sir, sir, last movie I saw was Gangubai Kathiawadi. Sir, it's a Hindi movie.
Yeah, I think there was a controversy about changing the name and all that.
Yes, sir. Sir, I also recently watched a series, if I may tell, Shark Tank.
Shark Tank.
Yes, sir. India, sir, is it's where seven entrepreneurs come and pitch their ideas, and sharks are the big businessmen which give loans. Sir, it is similar to US concept of Shark Tank.
Mm, mm. Very good. Very good. Thank you so much. Best wishes. You have done well.
Thank you, sir.
Done well. This will come in video now, YouTube after some time.
Yes, sir.
As South Indian Bank, you see, and what improvements you can make, you can yourself find out. Keeping in view that the interview timing should be less. Within 15 minutes, they have to complete all this. That which we have taken 25 minutes now. The same
Yes, sir.
questions, but you must have answered quickly so that it is over within 15 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, how will you rate me in this interview?
9 out of 10.
Oh, thank you, sir. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. That day, how much I give you? No,
Sir, you gave me 7 out of 10.
I don't know. I don't remember. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, bye, sir.